सनातन संस्था जी आसा ती सनातन संस्थेचे साधक हाका CBIन अरेस्ट केला हो सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. डॉक्टर दाबोलकराची मर्डर जो जाल्लो पुण्याक, तसोच आनिकूय मर्डर जाल्ले, ते सगळे मर्डराचें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसतना सनातन संस्थेचो जो तावडे म्हणून आसा ताका अरेस्ट केला. आनी ते अरेस्टांच्यान लिंक चल्ला की जो गोवान मडगांव जो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट जाल्लो तातूंत ते बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट करपी मनशां मदीं आनी हो अरेस्ट जाला ते मनशाचे मदीं लिंक आसा म्हणून. इट इज बींग सेड की बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट करचे पयलीं आनी बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट करतकूच मागीर जे एक्यूज असले गोवा बॉम्ब ब्लास्टान, दे वर कंटिन्युअसली इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ द पर्सन हू इज अरेस्टेड टुडे इन मारगांव बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट केस. सनातनाचो 1 पॉयंट प्रोग्राम आमी सदांच सांगला is to divide, create hatred, and which is very bad for our society, and we have demanded strong action against Sanatan, but unfortunately nothing has happened till date. There are ministers, there are keens of ministers who are involved in this Sanatan Sanstha, which is very unfortunate. These people have become sympathizers of terror organization, and hence we are not seeing any results.
The PWD minister should stop playing to the gallery, and the freedom fighters who fought for this freedom had fought for a peaceful, secular Goa. Allowing this minister to utter words and trying to take over from the freedom fighters' demand about the shifting of the consulate, they should immediately demand his removal, or he should resign and fight with them for the shifting of the, if he is sincere about it. This is our demand. The PWD minister should understand that if he thinks that the Goan electorate can be polarized, then he is sadly mistaken, because secularism in India and in Goa in particular has remained because the majority of the Hindus have been secular. Let us consider the ban of Mutalik. Underground they are working, but it does not get the force. Here you are getting the sanctity of the people of this government who is watching. Our question is simple. There are ministers of this cabinet who have directly associated with them, who are directly protecting them, who are directly defending them. This is the role.